While people are joining, जो भी यहाँ पे नए हैं, let me give you a quick introduction. So my name is Reema. I'll be your host for today. But सारी मेहनत सार्थक और आस्था ही करने वाले हैं. I'm from Relos, so we are a CRM marketing software, and basically the purpose of doing all of these webinars that we do is to help our community back because they've given a lot of love to us. एंड बहुत सारे ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट ओनर्स हैं, ऐसे बिजनेस ओनर्स हैं who actually don't get to learn from experts. Some of them there are there जिसमें पता भी नहीं चलता how do you find those experts. So our idea is to bring those experts to you. आप उनको ढूंढने जाओ, इसकी जगह हम ही लेके आते हैं, and then they talk about their experiences so that you can learn from them. You can take away something home and implement in your businesses. And today we have those two industry experts with us, Sarthak Sahni and Astha Sahni. And these two have been working with restaurants and businesses since more than a decade now. And they worked with more than 700, 800 brands, helped them with numerous things, whether online delivery, how to set up businesses, customer retention, how to bring back customer revenue generation, multiple things. I will give them stage in like a minute and they can continue and introduce themselves in a much, much better way, I'm sure. But
No, you have given us a very good introduction. Like it means a lot. But
yeah,
definitely let people join in and then we can start off.
yeah. So
The
guys,
whole idea
hmm,
behind these webinars is कि लोगों को ना वो right knowledge और right insight मिले.
right, true,
I know people know a lot these days. Everything is present online. There are numerous consultants outside. You go out, you will find many consultants. But the whole idea is very few people are actually delivering the right knowledge.
true.
And even the topic of today's webinar is customer retention. The key feature या किसी भी इंडस्ट्री की बात करें, भी फूड इंडस्ट्री और फैशन इंडस्ट्री और एनी इंडस्ट्री, सब इंडस्ट्री में एक रिटेंशन ऐसी चीज है जो ग्रोथ लाती है और मैक्सिमाइज करती है रेस्टोरेंट के रेवेन्यू को. So we are pleased that all the people have joined, and we also hope that it's going to be a knowledgeable session for all of us.
Yeah, true.
I
That's
think
amazing. Yeah,
start off. People are.
yeah, yeah.
Or we should wait for.
Yes.
We can start off. You can start with the introduction. Guys, before we start off, one quick thing. मैंने अभी सबको म्यूट करके रखा है. I've not given unmute rights. We'll do that post the presentation. If there are any questions, what you can do is आप अपने question chat box में लिख सकते हो. I and my team हम questions note करके रखेंगे and we'll make sure that हर एक के question answer किए जाएं. So आप वो chat box में लिख दो, और अगर ऐसा कुछ है जो आपको immediate answer चाहिए, it's related to some slide and if you want to discuss, we can pick that up in between the presentation as well. And don't worry, we'll give a chance if there's something that you feel like you want to speak at the end of the presentation. We'll give a chance to everyone who wants to speak and talk to our presenters today. Yeah. Okay,
Definitely.
Sarthak and Astha, the stage is to you.
Yeah.
Hi all, welcome to a very great webinar today. We're going to talk about maximizing your revenue with customer retention, loyalty programs, and rewards program. Just to tell about us.
We are the food consultants. We are from the company called TechTest Foods. We have been in the market from last 10 years, worked with more than 700 brands. Talking about our experiences, I've worked with Magic Pen, with Swiggy, and have been in the market, food industry, from a really long time.
So we come in as end-to-end solution provider. Be it anything, आपकी कोई भी restaurant problem है, we have a solution for that. Be it your minutest, from your menu designing to your staff issues, to your automation, to your operation issues, to a point where we actually boost your sales. Our major forte is that we boost your sales on Swiggy and Zomato, and we help you expand and automate your business. Are we clear? Are we audible? We can just have a thumbs up if we are audible, guys. I think I'm getting few messages that we are not audible. We'll just check. Yeah, we are audible.
Right.
So the topic that we have today is very important. अभी लोगों को क्या लगता है कि सिर्फ सेल्स लानी है, प्रॉफिटेबल होना है, उसके बाद फ्रेंचाइजिंग में जाएंगे और पैसे बनाने हैं. But nobody thinks of how to actually set a roadmap for that. To set a roadmap for that, there are very crucial things that need to be taken care of. कि आप वो प्रॉफिटेबल बिजनेस बनाओगे कैसे. Not everybody can make a profitable business. Food line, restaurant line में failure rate is too high. मतलब every 6 months we see so many restaurants opening up and closing down.
You know, as per the data, अगर एक साल में कोई रेस्टोरेंट खुल रहा है, 70% of the restaurant shuts down. Why is it so? Because अभी जो लोगों का एक mindset है for the food industry is it is very fantasized. You know, grass is always greener on the other side. तो लोगों को लगता है बहुत fantasized industry है, we have to get into food industry. But when we are here, we are discussing our today's topic is, let's present the slide also.
I'll just screen
We'll
share.
start with our presentation also.
Are you guys able to share? You have access, right?
I'll just check if I can. Reema, can you share? I think it is not letting me share the screen.
Wait, I'll make you a host. I've already made you co-host.
I think there's some
Yeah.
issue with my system settings. So if you can only share, I'll just tell you when we have to move the slide ahead. Like that's not a
Okay,
problem.
no worries. I'll do that.
Yeah. I see people are joining in now as well. Guys, we are just sharing a presentation जो हम लोगों ने आपके लिए बनाई है, and the topic that we have today is maximizing restaurant revenue sales business with customer retention. आपका sales कैसे बढ़ेगा customer retention से? Retention का मतलब होता है कितना customer रुक रहा है, what percentage या what number of customers are retaining with your brand. I am Sarthak, she is Astha. We represent TechTaste Foods. TechTaste Foods is a food consulting firm, been in the business, handling more than 800 brands presently, pan India. We are handling brands in Europe, we are handling brands in London, we are handling brands in Australia. So the expertise is from a small cloud kitchen to n number of brands, whatever we have handled. It's a small introduction about us, that who we are, what we do. We help you with your packaging solution. We help you with your SOP formulation. We help you with your online aggregator solution. We help you boost your sales on Swiggy and Zomato. We help you set your complete brand from initial setup to a point where you automate and you expand. You just move it. Yeah. So there are a few brands which we have handled. It's a brief portfolio of these brands that we are handling. And there are numerous brands. We were short of slides, so we could not add all the brands. But yes, these are some of the brands which are doing really great in the business and are profitable and are expanding. So yeah, we can take this ahead as well.
Guys, the agenda of today's webinar is customer rewards. So we're going to talk about these small topics. What are customer rewards, need of customer rewards, increase the customer retention rate in your restaurant, difference between offline and online sales, retention in repeat user and new user, boost revenue hacks, and we are open for questions at the end of the webinar.
So these are basic points that we have taken out जो आप लोगों को समझ में आएंगे कि लेमन लैंग्वेज में एक्चुअली रिटेंशन होता क्या है, रिवॉर्ड क्या होता है, लॉयल्टी क्या होती है. यू नो everybody sees कि जब हम लोग in very younger age, when we plan to start a food business, everybody of us present here have been inspired from that one restaurant. कि यार if I want to do a burger brand, I want to do it like McDonald. अगर burger brand करना है McDonald की तरह करना है, pizza brand करना है Dom की तरह करना है, South Indian brand करना है, whatever brand you have been inspired from. But we don't follow what those brands have followed. Those brands actually work on you, customers. And when we come in new in the business, we don't focus on that loyalties. We don't focus on that reward planning. So all these agendas are very much, scripted in a pace जो आपको समझ में आए. These are very much layman for you, or we'll be trying to give the best of what actually big brands follow. We can take this ahead, Reema. Yeah, can we just move it, the slide? Yeah. I think we... Yeah,
So you know what are customer rewards in the layman language? लोग पहले बोलते थे that you know focus on your food quality. Have you ever thought कि वो food quality पे focus करने को क्यों बोलते थे? Because obviously अगर आप food quality पे focus करोगे, आपका जो repeat ratio होगा customers का वो ज्यादा होगा, वो incremental होगा. Also, just a live example, if any of you know, 15 years back, 14 years back, McDonald's used to do customer rewards in the starting. वो क्या करते थे, वो लोग आपके birthday पे आपको text messages देते थे that you know, hey, it's your birthday and we have got an ice cream free for you if you can come and order us here. So these are the things. Reward program is something. It can be in form of free coupons. It can be in form of discounts, freebie, item gifts, any sort of these things.
So the basic idea is rewards होते क्या है या loyalty program होते क्या है, वो तरीके, वो efforts जिससे आप customer को एक special feeling दे पाओ that we are doing it for you, so that that customer actually keeps that in mind and comes again. The whole point of business is आपने एक restaurant शुरू किया, आपका food is super, your costings are super, your quality is super, your marketing plan is super, but you are not actually working on one thing, which is maintaining that relationship with your repeat customers. कि आपके customer repeat हो. Every time you are spending in marketing to actually capture new customers, right? But repeat customers कौन होते हैं? वो वाले customers जो आपको आने के लिए cost उस पे लगाना नहीं पड़ता. Repeat customers don't require marketing. They require rewards. They require a humble gesture from your side.
Right. And you know, so basically repeat users को अगर आपको अपना loyal बनाना है, you need to run loyalty programs. Customer rewards program can also be known as loyalty programs. Make sure being a restaurant owner, you run some of the coupons or rewards so that आपका वो जो customer आपका food taste करके गया है, he or she be your loyalty customer.
When we come in as customers, हम सब customers भी हैं. When we are business owners, we are customers as well. We go to a restaurant and a restaurant owner comes, वो हमसे आके मिलता है बहुत अच्छे से, हाय सार्थक कैसे हो आप, बहुत अच्छा, what are you ordering today, ठीक है. When we are going out, he sends a small dessert for me, कि it's a regard from our side for you that you have come here, आप हमारे एक अच्छे customer हो. So next time 2 months down the line when I plan to go somewhere, I will have an idea, okay, I will go to this restaurant, इसने बहुत अच्छा treatment दिया था. It's not about that I'm getting a free dessert. It's about that treatment, that together feeling that the restaurant owner, that the brand is giving to me. Loyalty program actually helps you to create your repeat customer and make sure your customers are retaining. आप जितने भी नए customers ले आओ, the chances of making that new customer is okay, but there is a cost. In repeat customers, there is no cost. It works word of mouth. मैं आया, मुझे आपका आउटलेट अच्छा लगा, मैंने जाके 4 लोगों को बताया, यार you go to this brand, it is very good, the owners are good, the brand actually treats you well. So that's the insight.
And you know, with time, loyalty programs have enhanced. अब आजकल की market में you have options where you can actually send notifications to customers. You can poke customers via WhatsApp, via messages saying that hey, it's been long कि आप लोग बहुत time से outlet पे नहीं आए हो, so just be here. There are, just take an example कि हम लोग कहीं गए, as सार्थक suggested कि हमें बहुत अच्छा खाना लगा and we moved out. What if 1 week down the line हमें same restaurant से एक message आता है, hey, we miss you. आपको, if you can come back, we'll offer some sort of discount, some sort of free food, so that you know I be your loyal customer. मेरे को क्या feeling आएगी एक gesture की, wow, ये restaurant खाना बहुत अच्छा था and इनकी after food service is also great.
So yeah, so this is a little about customer rewards and loyalty programs. We'll be talking about everything that relates to this topic. We can take this slide ahead, Rima. आप उसमें ही कर लो, Rima. If slideshow I think is not working, if you can just move on clicks, वो next slide वैसे click करके भी आ जाएगा.
Okay, ठीक है.
हाँ.
Yeah. So, you know, need of customer rewards. It is the most important aspect of food industry. जितना important food industry में एक sale पे focus करना है, अगर हम उसकी baseline पे जाए, अगर आपको sale increase करनी है, आप sale increase कैसे करोगे? 2 type से. One is कि आप new user market share को capture करोगे. Second is आपका जो customer खा के जा रहा है खाना, आप उसको retain करोगे. So the need of customer rewards is the most important thing in any industry.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे अभी आस्था ने बोला कि आप या तो दो चीजें करोगे, या तो आप एक कॉस्ट लगाओगे नया कस्टमर लेके आने के लिए, ऑफलाइन में आप पैम्फलेटिंग करोगे, आप होर्डिंग्स लगाओगे, आप सोशल मीडिया पे इंस्टाग्राम पे एड्स चलाओगे, स्विगी जोमेटो को प्रमोशंस दोगे, क्लिक्स दोगे, यू विल बी स्पेंडिंग, यू विल बी बर्निंग अ अमाउंट फॉर हैविंग दैट न्यू कस्टमर बेस. बट इफ यू आर एक्चुअली फॉलोइंग लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम, आपका रिपीट कस्टमर बेस इज कमिंग बैक अगेन एंड अगेन. यू नो, आपके पास जैसे उन्होंने बोला एक व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज आता है, हे इट्स बीन लॉन्ग, लेट्स हैव लंच टुगेदर एट दिस प्लेस, एट फॉर एग्जांपल द आउटलेट इज ढाबा, एट ढाबा, एंड यू कम ओवर, we have a 20% discount for you on food, for example. The whole idea is that you actually are making sure that that customer is feeling obliged, that customer is feeling that pleasured ki okay, I have to go there and I will get that discount and this is for me, this is actually crafted for me. So this is a very critical and important component of a successful marketing strategy. While we have mentioned this, while owners may be wary of giving free items away, the return on investment is well worth it. The return on investment is what? Return on investment is your repeat customer. मैं एक ब्रांड आज फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ मैकडोनल्ड बर्गर, आई एम रिपीट कस्टमर, व्हेनेवर आई एम ट्रैवलिंग आई नो आई हैव टू ऑर्डर फ्रॉम मैकडोनल्ड. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई हैव गॉटन दैट टेक्स्ट सिंस चाइल्डहुड, कम टू मैकडोनल्ड्स, कम, दैट वो एक माइंडसेट में इंप्रेशन बन जाता है. रिपीट कस्टमर को लाने के लिए कोई खर्चा नहीं करना है.
Also, just let's just watch Swiggy and Zomato. स्विगी और जोमेटो स्टार्टिंग में इट्स बीन 10 years स्विगी मार्केट में आया है, फूड डिलीवरी मार्केट में आई है. अगर हम प्री स्विगी एरिया की बात करें, सारी सेल्स ऑफलाइन होती थी और ज्यादा डिस्काउंट ओरिएंटेड मार्केट नहीं थी. नाउ लेट्स सी पोस्ट स्विगी, पोस्ट डिलीवरी पार्ट. जैसे ही स्विगी जोमेटो ने अपनी डिलीवरी स्टार्ट करी, इन लोगों ने सबसे पहले किस चीज पे फोकस करा? ऑन कस्टमर्स. कस्टमर्स पे फोकस करने के लिए इन लोगों ने सबसे पहला मूव इनका क्या था? रनिंग डिस्काउंट्स. वाई डू यू थिंक कि इन लोगों ने डिस्काउंट्स रन करे या कस्टमर्स को सोचा कि कस्टमर्स को एक प्रायोरिटी पे रखे? फॉर स्विगी, फॉर जोमेटो, फॉर ऑल फूड इंडस्ट्री, कस्टमर इज गॉड. कस्टमर भगवान है. वाई डू वी से दैट? बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अगर एक कस्टमर आपके पास आ रहा है और वो आपका लॉयल कस्टमर है, जो कॉस्ट आप एक्चुअली में एक न्यू यूजर को लाने के लिए पैसे खर्चते हो, आप बर्न मॉडल पे जाते हो, वो आपकी सेव हो जाती है.
And customer rewards or loyalty program is a very smart way of smart marketing strategy. You are not burning a big amount to bring that customer again, and the customer, when that customer comes back, he gives you a good ticket size. आप एक डिस्काउंट कूपन, या अगर आप एक फ्री भी, या अगर आप एक डेजर्ट, या अगर आपने कैंपेन रन किया उस कस्टमर को वापस लाने के लिए, दैट अमाउंट इज नॉट एज बिग एज द अमाउंट यू विल स्पेंड टू कैप्चर दैट न्यू कस्टमर बेस और दैट न्यू मार्केट शेयर फॉर योर ब्रांड. You are actually providing a very much customized and a unique experience to your loyal partners, that you come to us again. We are here for you. We are your delivering guy. We are your people who are actually going to deliver you the best of service. That is the power of loyalty. You go to big 5-star resorts, you go to big 5-star properties, you go to any XYZ industry, you go to aviation, you go to reality, you go to any kind of industry, they are following reward program. अभी रक्षाबंधन से पहले all these jewelry brands, handcrafted brands started sending cold emails that hey, order a blissful rakhi for your sister, or a necklace for your sister, or a pendant for your sister. Aviation में जाओगे, you will see how many miles you've traveled. Indigo is going to send you messages, get 20% off if you have traveled these many miles, you have these many points left. Loyalty points शुरू हो जाते हैं. These are the kinds of program which people are following.
इवन स्विगी जोमेटो डज दिस. लंच टाइम होता है तो मेरे पास एक नोटिफिकेशन आती है, हे आस्था, इट्स द लंच टाइम, व्हाई डोंट यू ऑर्डर? नाउ गेस, सेम गोज विद योर ब्रांड. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल वी टेक अ ब्रांड नेम गोकुल. अगर गोकुल की एक स्पेसिफिक गोकुल के ब्रांड से एक ब्रांडिंग हो और कस्टमर के पास नोटिफिकेशन जाए कि हे, वी आर मिसिंग यू ऑन गोकुल, इफ यू ऑर्डर अस ऑनलाइन with loyalty programs are not only for offline industry, it can be for online industry. How? Let's say you drop a message on the customer's WhatsApp saying that if you want to order us from Swiggy or Zomato, we'll be pleased and we'll give you this much discount. Swiggy and Zomato highly discount oriented market हो गई है with time. Now अगर आपका जो कस्टमर डाइन इन पे कभी खाकर गया है एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो वापस दोबारा नहीं आ पा रहा है, why don't we ping him or her saying कि आप हमें स्विगी जोमेटो पे ऑर्डर करो?
Yeah.
With this we can increase our offline sales, with this we can increase our online sales as well.
We can take the slide ahead, Reema. So we have given a topic, retention and repeat user versus new user. How? So what this means is एक repeat user को retain करने में क्या cost है, क्या effort है, और एक new user को retain करने के लिए क्या cost और क्या effort है. So the first point that we have mentioned is that it is 6 to 7 times more expensive to acquire a new customer. एक new customer को acquire करने के लिए there will be a lot of cost. You will be doing pamphlating, you will be doing hoarding. You don't know that ROI is there or not. रिपीट कस्टमर्स में क्या है, आपको पता आपके पास 40 लोग थे, उन 40 लोगों को एक मैसेज डिलीवर हो गया. There are many automated software. Relo, we are here on the platform. Relo being a very beautiful automated CRM marketing tool actually is delivering the right solution. कि आपके customers को messages जा रहे हैं that hey, it's been a while, come back, 15% discount for you. So that's the kind of set mindset we need to follow and practice.
So, you know, basically online industry, offline industry, be it any part of the industry, आपको burn model पे आना ही पड़ेगा. आपका एक नया आउटलेट खुला है. What do you think कि आप कस्टमर्स लाने के लिए क्या करोगे? राइट आप ऑनलाइन इंडस्ट्री में हो गए, आप एड्स रन करोगे, सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एक बर्न मॉडल पे जाओगे. आप ऑफलाइन इंडस्ट्री में हो गया, पैम्पलेटिंग करोगे, आप होर्डिंग्स लगवाओगे. नाउ अब जो न्यू यूजर को लाने की कॉस्ट है, इट इज वेरी मच हायर. आई विल जस्ट शेयर एन एग्जांपल. कुछ आउटलेट्स 2-2 लाख रुपए, 2 लाख 3 लाख की एड्स रन करते हैं ऑन स्विगी एंड जोमैटो. Why do you think they are burning that much amount? Because obviously they need customer, they need market share, right? And if we compare that to, अब for example मैं एक रेस्टोरेंट ओनर हूँ, मैंने 2 लाख रुपए की एड रन कर दी, उसके बाद वो 2 लाख रुपए का कस्टमर आए, उन्होंने खाना खाया. What is the percentage that out of that 2 lakh rupees business वो कस्टमर रीटेन करेंगे मेरे रेस्टोरेंट पे और मुझे वापस से रिपीट यूजर बनेंगे मेरे?
You know, when we say that the market is very discount oriented, today the whole idea is, if we talk about, let's talk about sales. We go to online platform aggregators, Swiggy and Zomato. They are very channelized. And channelized का मतलब क्या हुआ? आप ऐप खोलोगे, आपको टाइल्स दिखेंगी, 60% ऑफ, 50% ऑफ, फ्री गुलाब जामुन, फ्री बी, लेट नाइट डिलीवरी फ्री, XYZ campaigns are running. Now who is burning that amount for that campaign? You guys, restaurant owners, not the customers. Customers getting a privilege. But the whole idea and insight is कि why not make sure that you get your loyal customers? Where is that loyalty? Today जो legacy brands आप लोग देखते हो या जिनको देख के आप इंस्पायर होकर फॉलो करना चाहते हो, उन ब्रांड्स ने एक चीज बहुत मेक श्योर करी थी कि उनका कस्टमर उनका रहे. When you are making a brand, you actually have to focus on making that one customer yours. You actually make sure कि जो repeat customer है वो आपका एक fixed revenue है. That you know, if I am a fixed customer to many restaurants, so those restaurants know कि एक महीने में 4 बारी सार्थक will come because I crave for that food and I crave for that regard that that brand gives towards me. So that is the thing. And the best advertising from the old days till now is word of mouth. जितना word of mouth आपके brand का होगा, उतना ज्यादा आपका market share बढ़ता जाएगा and the cost will also be very less. Customer retention plays a very crucial role in success of the restaurant. So the whole idea is that people don't want to practice customer rewards, loyalty, retention, all of these things.
And you know, maybe owners are not aware कि हम लोग retain करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं. Right? So अभी हम लोग जब न्यू यूजर एक्वायर कर देते, लेट्स मेक श्योर, ऑल दी ओनर्स आउट देयर, लेट्स मेक श्योर कि हमारा पूरा फोकस जब वो आ जाए कस्टमर हमारे पास, हम लोग एक एफर्ट डाल के एन एक्स्ट्रा जेस्टर टू द कस्टमर सेइंग कि आप हमारे पास, आप हमारे लॉयल कस्टमर्स बनो.
You know, I'll give a very beautiful example. I went, so they are a client who was partner with us, and we went to their property. It's called Laid Back Cafe. We went to this cafe. It's in Delhi, and what they do is they take customer numbers. कि आप गए, आपका नंबर ले लिया either at the time of billing or personally. कि hey, we are restoring your number or storing your numbers. We want to have your number and we'll get back to you with a regard. We came back home as customers, and what we observed is we got a call that what is your address? We want to send a goodie for you from Laid Back Cafe. 15 days later, I have a guy at my doorstep with a box. उस बॉक्स के अंदर क्या है? लॉयल्टी कार्ड्स, डिस्काउंट कूपन्स, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल मैगजीन एंड a card that is personalized for me by name Sarthak Sahni, and I become a loyal partner, loyal family partner to the brand. Next time or n number of time I go to that brand, I will swipe that card off and I will actually get discounts. So today that thing is lost. People don't know about this, and it is not कि सिर्फ बड़े ब्रांड कर सकते हैं, छोटे ब्रांड भी कर सकते हैं. If you are a small cloud kitchen, in every packet that you are delivering, उस पैकेट के अंदर you just share a small card, thank you card, a regard card, that hey, we are a small cloud kitchen, we are working very hard for you. You order next time, we'll be giving you a free dessert. A dessert could cost you 10 rupees, nothing more than that. But an ad could cost you 2 lakh rupees, a 50,000, 40,000 is a very normal budget people run ads on.
Right.
Yeah. So Reema, can we take the slide ahead? So importance of customer retention in sales. Sales में customer retention कैसे important होती है, या ये लाई कैसे जाती है in a way. Outstanding customer service, creating that personal touch, constructive use of CRM, using loyalty program and offers. Outstanding customer service is how well you greet your customers. You know, in training school and hospitality schools, we have been told कि आपको एक कस्टमर जब आ रहा है तो कैसे ग्रीट करना है, कस्टमर जा रहा है तो कैसे ग्रीट करना है. That matters utmost. Your way of handling that customer matters. Creating a personal touch, how well you are connecting with that customer. You talk to the customer. People are very open to talk these days. They want people to come and talk. You go to them, ask them what are they ordering, suggest them. Suggestion is a very important thing. Offline market restaurant को suggest करना चाहिए that we have this item, this recipe as the best. You order this. That makes the customer more confident about your brand. कि भाई I'm going to order this because this owner is so confident. Constructive use of CRM. You are actually managing relationship. Customer relation management is utmost important. Relo is an automated software for that. It is actually sending your customers flyers, discount promos, n number of things automatically. You don't have to stress for that. आपको pressure लेना ही नहीं. So this is the kind of insight that why and how retention will come. We can take this ahead, yeah. Yeah.
Difference between offline and online sales. Now, if all the owners out there, in offline sales, you have seen कि जो आपका customer interaction होता है, ऑफलाइन सेल्स में आपके पास वो 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours का टाइम होता है कि आप कस्टमर को कैसे ग्रीट करते हो, उनको एक कैसी होलसम फीलिंग देके भेज रहे हो घर. इन ऑनलाइन सेल्स आपके पास आप फेस टू फेस कस्टमर के कभी भी नहीं आते, और उसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो, there are plenty of things. Make sure when you are delivering the order, आपका जब order dispatch हो रहा है, if you can just put a thank you note as Sarthak suggested. Now let's say what happens with thank you note. Thank you note से customer को एक feeling आएगी, wow, इन्होंने मेरे को thank you note भेजा है. Second will be कि वो customer आपको हमेशा rate करेगा अच्छा. We all know Swiggy Zomato में बहुत ज्यादा वैल्यू है रेटिंग की. अगर एक आउटलेट पे इवन वी एज अ कस्टमर, हम लोग ऑर्डर किस रेस्टोरेंट पे करते हैं, वेयर वी सी 4.2 रेटिंग, 4.1 रेटिंग. व्हाई डू वी डू दैट? बिकॉज हमें ट्रस्ट होता है, कि रिलायबिलिटी होती है, क्रेडिबिलिटी होती है ऑन द ब्रांड कि ये लोग खाना हमें अच्छा दे रहे हैं. विद दैट वन थैंक यू नोट, विद दैट लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम, रिवॉर्ड प्रोग्राम, you can actually make customer feel कि yes boss, next time इस restaurant पे order करना है.
You know, the whole idea between offline and online sales is customer relationship interaction. Offline में बहुत ज्यादा है, online में zero है. No aggregator is actually letting you talk to the customer directly. Either via riders you can talk, but not directly. So जब आपका interaction हो ही नहीं रहा, how will the customer know कि मेरा खाना actually उस जगह से आ रहा है जहाँ पे मेरी या मेरे खाने की value है? By adding a thank you note or by adding a small freebie dessert would not cost you much, or by making sure, by adding a goodie, small goodie, or by adding anything that makes that customer feel regarded, that makes that customer feel powered. Starbucks ने strategy follow करी, बड़ी simple. Indian market को capture करने के लिए he is giving the same coffee as n number of coffee brands. We have Third Wave, we have Costa Coffee, we have Cafe Coffee Day, we have n number of coffee brand, new coffee brand. Why Starbucks? Why has Starbucks come out as a premium legacy Starbucks coffee brand? Because उसने लोगों को आके powered feel करा दिया, उसने लोगों को वो regard दे दिया जो और कोई brand नहीं दे रहा था. क्या करा उसने आके? उसने आपका नाम लिखना शुरू कर दिया एक ब्लैक पेन से व्हाइट ग्लास के ऊपर कि ब्रो, या आप आए हो, आप इंपॉर्टेंट हो. हम लोग, my exposure comes from so many restaurants. I have traveled around the world, I have traveled pan India, I meet so many brand owners, and I work so humanly, so personally that my partners are like we work in that brotherly relationship. I make that together bond. Restaurant owners आज अगर वो प्रैक्टिस फॉलो करेंगे, कस्टमर्स आपके हो जाएंगे. ऑफलाइन सेल्स में यू हैव दैट स्कोप, ऑनलाइन सेल्स में नहीं है. बट वी कैनॉट लीव दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. We cannot leave that old saying that customer is God. You have to make him feel like that. Though, however, the customer is paying, if he is doing an order of 200 rupees or if he is doing an order of 2000 rupees, does not matter. You have to make sure that customer is your. You don't have to spend every time to get a new customer. What people are doing these days, going heavy on ads, going heavy on budgets, only new customer, new customer. Where are the repeat users?
You know, if we actually learn कि ऑनलाइन इंडस्ट्री में आप फ्री भी देते हो, बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट ओनर्स करंटली फ्री भी दे रहे होंगे. क्यों दे रहे होंगे? क्योंकि उनके पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट स्विगी के पीओसी या जोमेटो के पीओसी ने बोला होगा कि आपको फ्री भी देने से सेल्स बढ़ेगी. बट एक्चुअली में अगर हम लोग इंटेंशन देखें, व्हाई आर वी ऑफरिंग फ्री बी? बिकॉज स्विगी जोमेटो नोज बाय ऑफरिंग दैट वन फ्री बी ओवर एंड अबव आप अपने डिस्काउंट के फ्री बी देते हो, कस्टमर गेट्स हैप्पी that, you know, I have ordered, I have got the discount, one. Secondly, I've got the freebie as a dessert. Let's say for example आपने एक डेजर्ट, गुलाब जामुन नॉर्थ इंडियन ब्रांड्स बहुत इजीली दे देते हैं, कुल्फी कई ब्रांड दे देते हैं, ढाबा, आई हैव बीन टू ढाबा अभी रिसेंटली ऑफलाइन में ही, and you know, as soon as we finished our food, they came to us saying that if you can just rate us on Swiggy and Zomato, we'll offer you a dessert. And I saw that, and you know, उसी टाइम एक awareness आया, this is the loyalty program they are running.
होता क्या है, small restaurant owners, what actually happens is, not small restaurant owners, the restaurant which have just started or who plan to start, they feel it is too much to do this, or it is too expensive to do this, but it is not. It is actually easy and it is actually cost effective. You get a better ROI. Right? So we can take the slide here, Reema. Yeah. Boosting your revenue hacks. So the whole idea behind this topic is it's gonna be an attraction कि कैसे sales boost करे, कैसे revenue boost करे, profitable कैसे हो. To make sure you need to follow that right checklist algorithm pyramid कि क्या क्या करना है. I have mentioned this from day 0, not even day 1. जिस दिन आपने सोचा आपको बिजनेस करना, उस दिन आपको ये भी सोचना चाहिए कि मुझे ये करना है. मुझे राइट प्रोडक्ट लेके आना है, राइट मार्केट के हिसाब से, उसकी राइट ब्रांडिंग करनी है, राइट पैकेजिंग करनी है, राइट कॉस्ट मैट्रिक्स पे जाना है. और जब मेरा प्रोडक्ट रेडी हो जाएगा, उसके बाद मुझे सेकंड फोकस करना है कस्टमर के ऊपर, कि वो प्रोडक्ट राइट कस्टमर के पास जा रहा है, और वो राइट कस्टमर मेरे ब्रांड के लिए राइट है. वो मेरे ब्रांड के लिए राइट कब बनेगा? जब मैं उसको वो रिगार्ड दूंगा that you are ours and we are yours. You give that energy, you know, you give that delivery that okay, we are working for you. Why automation helps today? I come from a background where I franchise restaurants as well. I help people to find the right franchise, and I help right brands to expand and sell their franchise. And the most important that we follow today is automation. Today I am one. When I want to replicate 100 Sarthaks, I want automation. I cannot practice the same way I'm doing right now. So today you have one restaurant. Tomorrow when you're going to have 50 restaurant, 10 restaurant, 20 restaurant, you need to have that automation. आप हर रेस्टोरेंट में जाके नहीं खड़े हो सकते हो, and you cannot greet every customer. There you need automation. There you need CRM softwares like Relo, who are actually doing a great job in the market by delivering right solution at an easy price and with the minimal effort of yours, or I would say negligible effort. जहां पे you don't have to worry that okay, अब मुझे इस कस्टमर को मैसेज करना है. Okay, you know that जैसे ही कस्टमर का कॉन्टैक्ट हमारे पेट पूजा के पास या हमारे पॉज के पास आया, उसी टाइम उसको डिलीवरी हो जाएगी उस रिगार्ड की, उस मैसेज की, उस लॉयल्टी की. इट्स लाइक दैट. ऑफलाइन सेल्स के अंदर अगर आपका लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम सक्सेसफुल है, आपका रिपीट कस्टमर सक्सेसफुल है, आप प्रॉफिटेबल हो, ऑफलाइन में प्रॉफिट मार्जिन इज 30 to 40%. स्विगी जोमेटो में हायर साइड में 15 से 18% मैक्सिमम.
You can also divert your offline user to your online sales. आपका ऑफलाइन का यूजर विद लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम्स ऑनलाइन सेल्स तक भी जाएगा.
द होल आइडिया इज लॉयल्टी से आप कस्टमर को अपना बना रहे हो.
राइट.
कस्टमर आपको सर्च करके ऑर्डर करेगा. Market is a complete supply and demand ratio. Understand? Every day Swiggy, Zomato onboarding kar rahe hai. Every day in market we see 10 new restaurants, 5 new restaurants opening up. But demand is consistent or increasing at a very slight rate. आज अगर आपके सोसाइटी में कॉलोनी में 1000 लोग खाने वाले हैं, शायद परसों 1100 लोग हो जाएंगे या 900 लोग हो जाएंगे. वो 2000 लोग नहीं होंगे. पर रेस्टोरेंट अगर 20 डिलीवरिंग थे तो शायद वो 30 हो सकते हैं, 40 हो सकते हैं. So the whole idea is, with increasing supply, you cannot increase your marketing budget. What you do is you increase your repeat user. जितना सप्लाई बढ़ जाए आपको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, कस्टमर इज योर्स.
यू नो द आइडियल नंबर, अगर हम एक टारगेट की बात करें फॉर ऑफलाइन इंडस्ट्री और ऑनलाइन इंडस्ट्री, आइडियल नंबर होता है कि लोगों के 70% रिपीट यूजर होते हैं, 30% न्यू यूजर होते हैं. स्टार्टिंग में जब एक ब्रांड आता है उसके लिए ऑपोजिट होता है ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि उसके 70% न्यू यूजर होते हैं, स्टार्ट धीरे धीरे करते हुए 30% रिपीट यूजर होते हैं. बट इफ यू हैव रीच टू अ पॉइंट कि आपके 70% रिपीट यूजर है और 30% न्यू यूजर है, आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू आप प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इजीली टच कर लोगे. बिकॉज आपका जो न्यू यूजर को लाने के लिए कॉस्ट है, लोग एड्स चलाते हैं, ये सब जो हमने भी डिस्कस करा, इतना बर्न करते हैं जस्ट टू कैप्चर कि न्यू यूजर आए. और अगर वो न्यू यूजर आपका रिपीट यूजर है, यू आर सेविंग दैट कॉस्ट. नो वन इज टेलिंग यू कि आप बर्न करो, आपको जितना डिस्काउंट देना है आप उतना दो. नो वन इज टेलिंग यू आप फ्री भी दो महंगा, आपको सस्ता फ्री भी देना है, आप 10 रुपीज की कॉस्ट तक का एक फ्री भी दो, जस्ट टू मेक श्योर, क्योंकि वो 10 रुपीज की फ्री भी कॉस्ट आपके लिए वो जो न्यू यूजर कॉस्ट है उससे बहुत कम है.
You know, the whole idea behind this topic or this webinar is कि today you plan to open a restaurant, or you have a restaurant, you have a cloud kitchen, you have a hybrid model, you have a walk-in QSR, whatever model you are into, you need to understand the basics don't change. With change in market, the basics don't change. What Relo is doing, or what XYZ POS people are doing, or whatever XYZ CRM people are doing, they are just making things easy for you. You need to choose who is doing the best job. One. Second, before that you need to understand that the baseline is, आपको वो insights दिमाग में रखने होंगे. Your costings, your menu, your product, your brand expansion, how well you are actually making sure your brand is going out in the market, and how well you are making sure your customer or your market share exists. Today what happens is, in online market or in offline market, you run heavy discounts. Today if you have an offline store, run buy one get one or 50% off, or on an online store run 60% off. You see the increase in number of orders, and day after tomorrow close all those discounts, you will see that dip again.
Right.
Why? Because आप जिस कस्टमर को ला रहे हो डिस्काउंट सेंट्रिक कस्टमर है और वो न्यू कस्टमर है. बट अगर आप एक लेगेसी मेंटेन करके चल रहे हो, and if you want to create that super product in the market, you have all the repeat customers. However the market is, your customer is not going away. You give discount, you don't give discount, your customer is there for you. Your market share does not depend on discounts.
And you know, restaurant owners customers के reviews read नहीं करते हैं. This is something you should do. अगर एक कस्टमर का परसेप्शन है आपके खाने को लेके, अगर एक कस्टमर का फीडबैक है आपके फूड को लेके, आपकी पैकेजिंग को लेके, दैट इज समथिंग यू शुड फोकस ऑन. कस्टमर रिटेंशन लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम से होगा, साथ साथ आपको फोकस करना है कि आपकी फूड क्वालिटी शुड बी ऑन टॉप. अगर आपकी फूड क्वालिटी कस्टमर को पसंद नहीं आ रही, मेक श्योर यू डू द चेंजेस, माइनर चेंजेस. खाना यूजुअली ऑनलाइन इंडस्ट्री में ठंडा जाता है. मेक श्योर जब भी डिलीवरी राइडर आए, आप उसके जैसे राइडर असाइन होता है, यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग द ऑर्डर. ऑफलाइन में जस्ट मेक श्योर यू हैव अ फीडबैक फॉर्म ऑन द टेबल सेइंग दैट यू नो अगर आपको हमारा खाना अच्छा लगा, डू रेट अस. So that you as a owner, as we talked about automation, for example you have 5 stores, obviously एक ओनर 5 स्टोर्स पे अवेलेबल नहीं हो सकता है, बट वो अगर 5 स्टोर्स पे फीडबैक फॉर्म फिल हो रहा है और ओनर के पास एक रिपोर्ट शेयर हो रही है, ओनर विल गेट टू नो कि कस्टमर को खाना कैसा लग रहा है, क्या वो कस्टमर आपका लॉयल बन रहा है या नहीं. The whole point of this webinar is कि आपको आपकी सेल्स जो ग्रोथ लानी है 5x की, that can be easily done if you will focus on the loyalty program, if you focus on the customer कि वो कस्टमर आपका लॉयल कस्टमर बन जाए. आप उस कस्टमर को बोलो कि आपकी कोई पार्टी है, लेट्स से अगर दिवाली सीजन है, अगर आप कस्टमर को बोल रहे हो दिवाली सीजन है, आपके घर में गेस्ट आते हैं, ऑर्डर फ्रॉम अस, he or she should order because उनको एक trust है आपके brand पे।
लॉयल्टी से, रिवॉर्ड से क्या होता है, जो आपके ऑनलाइन कस्टमर्स है, ऑनलाइन यू गिविंग हाई कमीशंस, हाई डिस्काउंट्स, those customers can be directed to you offline. They can just call you straight up and tell you, sir, this is my address, can you deliver? You deliver your food at the right price without getting any commissions subtracted from it. So the power of customer is huge. एक रेस्टोरेंट को देखो, हर रेस्टोरेंट ब्रांड बन सकता है, बट एक रेस्टोरेंट को ब्रांड बनाने के लिए हर ब्रांड या रेस्टोरेंट को कस्टमर्स चाहिए होते हैं. You have stopped focusing on the customers. People have started running behind getting new customers, new order, maximum order. वो तब आएगा ना जब आपके पास कस्टमर्स होंगे, मार्केट शेयर होगा. आज you know that brands have market share. अगर सबवे है, वो उसके पास एक मार्केट शेयर सबवे का है. डोमिनोज के पास अपना यूएसपी, अपना मार्केट शेयर है. You create your market share by making sure you have customers. What is market share? Customer base. So that is the whole insight. We can take the slide ahead, Reema. So these are few screenshots that I've added. ये कुछ flyers है या ये कुछ promo flyers है जो अगर आपके, so this is an example. For example, मैं एक रेस्टोरेंट में गया by the name Crush Coffee. मैं वहां पे जाके एक ऑर्डर किया. I ordered a mocha probably, or I ordered a latte. Now what happened at the same time is that मेरे WhatsApp पे एक मैसेज ड्रॉप होता है सेम सेकंड और 5 seconds later, हाय सार्थक, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग टू क्रश कॉफी, अ रिवॉर्ड फॉर यू. आई गो बैक होम, 10 days later I get a message again, your reward is still pending, you can come back and claim this reward. Okay, I will have an idea. ठीक है यार, जाता हूँ. 15 दिन बाद या 10 दिन बाद मुझे दोबारा एक मैसेज अगर आता है and I am near to that place, what I'll have in my mind is, okay, I've got 2 coupons on my phone or 1 coupon on my phone, I have these many loyalty points or program, I can go there. This is the kind of insight that you create. You poke that mindset in the customer. You come back again, you come back again. These are few screenshots of that earn 5% cashback. Now whenever I am near to Hideout Cafe, what I'll do is I'll go back to that cafe and I'll just claim. कस्टमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मेरे लिए, मेरे को डिस्काउंट मिला. रेस्टोरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको एक कस्टमर मिला और आपको उस कस्टमर की डिटेल मिली, एंड यू गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मेनी टाइम्स दैट कस्टमर हैज कम टू यू, सो दैट आपको भी ट्रैक होना चाहिए. This is all automation. You don't have to create this again and again. This is all automation. Automatically ये flyers जाएंगे आपको. जब जब कस्टमर वापस आएगा आपको उसका ROI भी दिखेगा. How many times the customer has come back.
Also, you know, ये सारे flyers specific है brand level पे, ब्रांड स्पेसिफिक, सो दैट आपकी एक लेवल पे मार्केटिंग, एक लेवल पे ब्रांडिंग हो रही है. जस्ट टू शेयर, अभी बर्कॉस ये एक चीज करता था. बर्कॉस एज अ ब्रांड, दे आर अ गुड ब्रांड. वो लोग जब भी कोई कस्टमर ऑफलाइन में खाने आता है तो एक एनवेलप देते हैं कस्टमर को, saying that if you come again you will get a 250 rupees or cashback or 250 rupees off on your next order. अब प्रॉब्लम विद दैट इज कि वो जो एक एनवेलप है, वो एनवेलप है हैंडी, वो एनवेलप खो जाएगा. विद दीज डिस्काउंट्स, दे आर ऑल डिजिटली मेड. ये सारे ब्रांड स्पेसिफिक है. आपका फोन, आप कोई भी चीज छोड़ सकते हो, अपना फोन कोई नहीं छोड़ सकता, राइट? सो दीज आर द डिजिटली मेड कैंपेन्स जो आपको आपके ब्रांड स्पेसिफिक कस्टमर्स के पास जाएंगे, सेइंग दैट इफ यू कम अगेन यू विल गेट दिस मच कैशबैक, दिस मच ऑफर.
दिस इज द पावर ऑफ this is a big example of reward programs or loyalty programs जो आप कस्टमर को दे रहे हो. आप जितनी बारी एक कस्टमर को अपना बना रहे हो ना, उतनी बारी आपका रेवेन्यू बढ़ रहा है. यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? तो these are few examples which we have taken from different WhatsApps जो हमें आए हैं, and we have put in it as a presentation for you that you guys can do this. This is very easy for you. We can take the slide ahead as well. We have one more slide for the screenshots. So yeah, how does loyalty automation works? First is the purchase. Customer makes a purchase. मैं आया रेस्टोरेंट पे, मैंने ऑर्डर किया, मुझे उसी टाइम सेम सेकंड एक मैसेज आता है that okay, you have earned 10 points and the next time when you come you can redeem these points. Now I go back home, 30 days again I get a reminder, it's been a while, you haven't come back, your points are here, before they expire please claim them. Whenever I am near I will go, or I will go to that place, because people go out. The baseline is people love having fresh food. People go out, have that holistic ambience, atmosphere, enjoy that, and then they order. Expiry alert, your customers are actually being, there's a very strong term that is called scarcity marketing. Scarcity marketing is what? On day one, you are being told, I have only 10 products and the customers are 100. Now those 100 customers will feel that, okay, I should not be left, I should run fast. Expiry alert is a scarcity marketing tool that your customers are actually getting that hint that, okay, your points are going away, please come back. You will run and your customer will come running and actually order. Points expired will also being shown to you, your customers, that your points have been expired. Your birthday and anniversary, as Asta said, McDonald's आज से 15 साल पहले से ये practice follow कर रहा है. Every birthday you come, we'll have a free dessert for you, free softie or a flurry today, whatsoever. Your customer is feeling that pleasure कि उसको या वो regard feel हो रहा है कि my birthday में I am getting those cute messages that you come, we have a dessert for you. This is the power of automation, rewards, and loyalty. On a restaurant point of view, this is for a customer point of view. For a restaurant point of view, how we will know कि मेरा customer आया या नहीं आया? मैंने चला दिया. Sarthak and Asta came on the panel. They told us reward program चलाओ, हमने चला दिए. How will we know what is the ROI? We have put a slide for that as well. Can we go to that slide, Reema? Yeah. ट्रैक एंड एनालाइज लॉयल्टी परफॉर्मेंस. आपका रिडेम्पशन रेट कितने परसेंट एक्चुअली आपका वो पॉइंट्स या वो कैंपेन रिडीम हुआ है. You know that redemption rate. Your percentage is 80%. You know that 80% of the customers are actually making sure that they come back and order for you. The revenue generated from these campaigns is also being shown to you. कि आपने एक शायद एक कैंपेन चलाया. There are different ways of रनिंग द कैंपेन. आपने व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू कैंपेन रन किया, आपने ईमेल मार्केटिंग के थ्रू करा, आपने नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस के थ्रू करा. यू विल नो व्हाट रेवेन्यू इज बीइंग जनरेटेड, हाउ मेनी टाइम दैट कस्टमर इज कमिंग, टोटल विजिट्स. All of these things are being told to you. Your visits made, your amount spent, your cash, everything you can personalize. You have that, in India, we are a country of masses, right? We love to be taken care of, that okay, there are people for us. In India, we make sure that whenever we go somewhere, we want to create that mark that okay, I have been here, people know me. That know me वाला जो concept है ना, वो इतना strong है. I was giving an example of Starbucks. उसने nobody को somebody बना दिया by just writing their own name. That is the power. You can craft your campaign accordingly. That this is the kind of picture, this is the kind of text, and automate that. वो जा रहा है, ऑटोमेटिकली जा रहा है. आपको हर 4 दिन बाद चेक नहीं कर रहा क्या वो पहुंचा नहीं पहुंचा. आपको उसका ROI भी दिख रहा है. From customer point of view, from restaurant point of view, you need these kind of program, you need these kind of automation services.
Going forward, ये जो September to January अब जो months है, ये food industry के लिए top पे होते हैं. ये food industry का एक season होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि इन पूरे 5 महीनों में हमारे पास we have n number of festivals. आपकी दिवाली आ जाएगी, we will have Christmas, we will have New Year's. You can make sure on every Diwali, for example, Rakhi just went. As a owner, you should make sure कि यार राखी है, दिवाली है, you should curate offers for your customers, saying that hey, happy Diwali, if you will order food from us for your family, you will get this much points or this reward. Reward can be your आप edit कर सकते हो, it can be your brand specific. So these are small things that actually makes difference in your sales.
The whole idea is that आप कितनी बारी, देखो हर कस्टमर आपके ब्रांड तक नहीं आएगा. आपका ब्रांड कितनी बारी कस्टमर तक जा रहा है, दैट मैटर्स.
मार्केटिंग इज ऑल अबाउट कि आप कितना बार एक रेस्टोरेंट, एक कस्टमर को पिंच कर सकते हो और पोक कर सकते हो. और वो एक्चुअली में ये डैशबोर्ड और मे रीलो इज डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब. These guys actually, ये लोग आपको वो एक सॉर्ट करके चीज दे रहे हैं ऑन वन सिंगल डैशबोर्ड, जस्ट क्लिक अवे, कि आप क्यूरेट कर सकते हो. यू कैन सी उसका रिजल्ट क्या आया, ROI क्या आया.
And just for you guys, I see 41-42 people are staying here with us since a while now. When I take many webinars. She has been to many webinars. We do many podcasts. We meet so many people. The whole idea is the impact. How impactful our words are. When I say that we are consulting 800 brands, the whole idea is that we are giving that impact, right? So when we are here on the platform, we are not being paid to do this. We are not being paid to promote any software or any brand. We are open to speak. Why we are telling you that Relo is important or Relo is doing a great job? Because Relo has captured that loophole which many people could not.
Right.
Restaurant owners को ही नहीं पता importance of customer. You want customer, but you do not know the importance of the customer and how you can bring those customers back. You make sure you understand that you need a help for that. Why people need consultants like us? Because we know the way. You go to you go to unnoticed, undefined city, you hire a cab. You don't start driving there because you don't know the route. You go via a cab because you know that the driver will take you to your destination. Similarly, when there are people in the market, there are brands in the market that are actually doing good job, you need to associate with them. So this is the kind of services that we have today. This is the kind of development that we have in the market today. So we can talk about questions now. We can take it any questions you have. You can just type in the chat box. We are open to n number of questions. We can take. I think I've taken a lot of time. It's been an hour that we have been discussing on the presentation. We can take questions.
No, thank you, Sarthak and Astha. This was really good, and you've absolutely not taken any time because we have more people joined in now. So that's in itself a proof that how people enjoyed it. Food 3 saying, can you take more webinars like this? Yes, absolutely. I think if Sarthak and Astha says, of course, we can call them for another webinar as well.
We'll be coming up with many sessions. See, the whole idea is, Rima, how a community is built. I believe Relo has started coming out as a super product in the market today. And the webinars are very new. Today, we might have a small community, but coming on, we'll be coming with so many webinars, so many topics. And we are brutally honest, guys. We don't sugarcoat our words because we are in the market. We make sure that people actually create that vision into reality by understanding what we do and what we say. We are the consultants who drive your journey. We don't sit on the aisle seat. The whole idea is we'll be coming up with other webinars with different topics. We give time to these topics. You spread the word that, okay, Relo is doing something like this so that other restaurant owners can also come on board. And we'll also have so many other good topics. How to boost your sales on Swiggy and Zomato, how to make use of, we can actually conduct a session on how to effectively use Relo. We can actually make sure there are different sessions created, crafted for you guys.
Right. No,
So,
thank you guys for saying so much. And we had few people asking that how they can reach you. So guys, I've put a form ka link. If you want to reach Sarthak and Astha or Relo team, you can simply fill the form. Or you can also write your details that you guys want to reach Sarthak. Sarthak and Astha, koi aisa email ID hai that you can put in chat box for people jinko aapko reach out karna hai, they can drop you an email or call you.
I am giving the Instagram that people can reach out. We keep posting videos. You can just see what we say, what we do. You can have a great idea about how our services work, everything. I'll also share a company contact wherein you can just call anytime and you can actually talk about your problem. You can actually get an instant solution. So yeah. Sir, I'm using Relo, but I'm not getting a response from customer. How can you suggest us for getting more customer?
For this, Rahul, our suggestion would be please see कि customers को आपके restaurant से सबसे पहले क्या चाहिए, क्या reward वो expect करते हैं, आप किस area में हो, आपके उस area में customers discount से attract होंगे.
Before a loyalty or reward, you need to understand क्या आपका product उस market fit, क्या आपका product market fit है, is that a right market fit? If you are sure about the product, if you are sure about the quality of the product, your Relo would work. Trust me, guys, before knowing Relo or Rima or something like this, I have known brands and I have taken that feedback that they are actually getting a good response, that the customers are coming back again. Today, people don't follow hard pamphleting. People follow digitalized pamphleting, and that is automated software. Rahul, agar aapko lagta hai that Relo is, if you are not having an idea, you can just drop us a text. We can actually understand what is the problem, where are you lagging, and we can make sure that you get the desired return and result. If there's anything that you need to understand from Relo, we can have a complete walkthrough for you.
Yeah. So Rahul, you can also DM me and same fill the form. What we can do is we can arrange a separate call और हमारी team आपको help कर सकती है. So जैसे आस्था और सार्थक अभी बोल रहे बिल्डिंग अ लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम इज जस्ट वन पार्ट ऑफ इट। जो कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर आपको ऑटोमेशन करके दे देगा, कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर आपको हेल्प करेगा बिल्ड करने में, बट वो लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम को मार्केट करना और प्रमोट करना भी जरूरी है। लाइक अगर कोई कस्टमर आपके रेस्टोरेंट पे आता है तो आप अपनी स्टाफ को भी ट्रेन करिए, आप उनको बोलिए कि कस्टमर्स को आप अवेयर कराएं कि हमारे पास ऐसा प्रोग्राम है, यू शेयर योर नंबर, आप इसमें पार्ट करिए। तो एक्टिवली उसमें भी आस्था और सार्थक आपकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं। दीज गाइस हैज बीन हेल्पिंग रेस्टोरेंट्स इन सो लॉन्ग, सो आई एम श्योर आप रीलो के साथ साथ में कोई पॉस सिस्टम भी यूज कर रहे होंगे, सो दीज गाइस कैन हेल्प यू एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू मार्केट दोस। So Rahul, you can fill the form and you can drop a message as well. And what we can do is we can do a separate call with you, जहाँ पे we can help you actually make the most out of the software and make the most out of जो भी आप use कर रहे हैं in your marketing strategies.
Also, Bollywood Canteen has asked, can we send bulk WhatsApp messages through Relo? Yeah, we can do that.
So yes, आप कर सकते हैं। Bollywood Canteen आपका नाम, can we know your name? That's a very interesting name. But yes, you can. So आप जैसे अभी सार्थक बोल रहे थे कि हम बल्क मैसेज करने की जगह we can also do customized campaign कि जो आपके रेस्टोरेंट में बहुत टाइम से नहीं आया आप सिर्फ उनको भेजो, जो आपके रेस्टोरेंट में 6 महीने से नहीं आप उनको भेजो, जिसने ज्यादा खरीदा आप उनको भेजो। तो आप अलग लोगों को अलग तरीके के पर्सनलाइज मैसेजेस भेज सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब आप ये करते हैं ना तो आप एज अ कस्टमर मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मैसेज मेरे लिए बनाया गया, ऐसा नहीं है कि सबको भेजा और मुझे भी मिल गया। दैट फील्स लेस मार्केटिंग एंड मोर पर्सनल। तो आप ऐसे कैंपेन्स भी कर सकते हैं। Again, I'd suggest you can share your details and someone from my team can reach out and explain it to you कि आप कैसे कर सकते हो वो बल्क मार्केटिंग।
So you know, this is for all the restaurant owners. आप लोग रीलो को बहुत स्मार्टली यूज कर सकते हो। आपको रीलो एक बल्क मैसेज की ऐप की तरह नहीं लेना। आपको रीलो एक्चुअली में ये सोच के लेना है कि आपके कस्टमर्स को एक रेस्टोरेंट, आपके रेस्टोरेंट से क्या चाहिए, और जो आपके कस्टमर को आपके रेस्टोरेंट से चाहिए, बी स्पेसिफिक। अपने ब्रांड की एक ब्रांड वैल्यू आपको अलग बनानी है। जैसे मैकडोनल्ड्स आइसक्रीम देके मैकडोनल्ड्स फेमस हुआ, 25 रुपीज बर्गर वो उस टाइम पे मार्केट करते थे अपने आप को, तब जाके मैकडोनल्ड्स बना। सेम डोमिनोज की एक अलग स्ट्रैटेजी थी। आपको एक स्ट्रैटेजी स्मार्ट मूव करके अपने ब्रांड की बनानी है।
बल्क व्हाट्सएप मार्केटिंग इज आप एक मैसेज ड्रॉप कर रहे हो 500 लोगों को एक साथ, एंड उसके बाद अगेन यू आर डूइंग दैट विद रीलो या एनी ऑटोमेशन सॉफ्टवेयर। यू एक्चुअली हैव दैट इनसाइट दैट आपका प्रोडक्ट या आपका ब्रांड राइट तरीके से मार्केट किया जा रहा है या नहीं। वो आपको कैसे पता लगेगा? उसके कन्वर्जन से। वो कन्वर्जन कैसे आएगा? जब आप एक्चुअली अपने ब्रांड को हर तरीके से चेकलिस्ट कर रहे हो। It is not that only reward programs is going to make your business successful. There are many things. As we said, your product, your branding, your packaging, your marketing, your loyalty, everything matters. Online and offline sales के अंदर we have consulted so many brands, we are working with so many brands. Trust me when we say this, business profitable banana is a task, and they're actually, it takes a lot to make that business. So yeah, we can have any questions if you have.
Sarthak Nasta, not a question, but just a compliment. Simran Sachdeva has said, great webinar and need more such webinars.
Thank you, Simran. Yeah, we will come up with many more webinars and many more topics.
Let us know what are the challenges that you guys are facing. How can we help you so that all the webinars going forward should be constructive or should be productive for you guys.
Webinars is a very open thing, that where we come up, we talk, we share our problems, or we share our discussions and insights. The whole idea is that Bollywood Canteen is Sushant Sunavane, Rima, the name. So when the next time you guys can actually text Rima or in the WhatsApp group that Relo has created, or in the form, that what is that you are facing a problem with, and we can take that topic again and come up.
Right.
We have no problem giving that right time. Aap batao what is the problem, we have the solution in very simple layman language. So it's like that.
Right. Okay, guys, do we have any more questions?
I don't think so. I think just people are there, they're just appreciating. So yeah, thank you, Rahul, for being there. Thank you, Simran.
Thank you all of you for being there for an hour.
Thank you, Rima, for being a great host. And
thank you guys for helping, patiently explaining everyone. I think this was an amazing webinar. and you guys are doing a great job. Guys, a great shout out. You can just, post thanks in the comments. Yes, amazing. Just post thanks for, let's do a cheer for Astha and Sarthak.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Amar. Thanks, Ranjan.
Oh,
Thanks,
that's so amazing. Thank you, guys.
Chalo. I
Okay.
think we come up with great webinars again.
We'll see
Yeah.
you guys again.
Yeah.
Just be updated. Keep us posted with all your questions. We would love to take them up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. So we'll sign off, and I've shared a link. I hope everyone got a chance to open the link. I'm just keeping the my chat box and webinar open.
Also, a recording would also come out, right, Rima? The recording would be shared on YouTube for reload, I
Yes.
believe.
Yes.
Whoever
So
has
guys,
missed, whoever.
yeah, sorry, Sarva, guys, I'm just writing our YouTube का link in the chat box. हम लोग mostly कल तक will upload the webinar. We'll try to do it by today evening, but maximum we'll do it tomorrow first half. So you guys can follow that page, and we'll upload the whole recording on our channel.
Yeah. So whoever has any questions after the webinar as well, we have posted our number. I'll again post the number for you guys. You can just contact at this number. There will be somebody to answer the call and give you any solution that you guys are wanting. So
Yeah, and guys,
I think
please give them a quick follow on Instagram. So Sarthak has already shared, but let me share their Instagram ID. Okay, I'm sharing the whole Instagram link so that it's easier. Just give them a quick follow. They make amazing videos. अभी सार्थक और आस्था ने जो एक्सप्लेन किया उससे कहीं ज्यादा, क्योंकि ये तो हमने सिर्फ एक टॉपिक के बारे में बात की. They talk about lot many things on their Instagram and their videos, so there's a chance to learn every day something new. So give them a quick follow and a shout out to them. And okay, so we'll take a sign off, guys.
Yeah.
Just keeping my chat window open for next 2 minutes for anyone who wants to click the links over here. Thank you, Sarthak. Thank you, Astha. Thank you so much for giving us your
Thank you,
valuable
Rima.
time today.
Thank you, people, for staying here.
Thank you, guys.
We'll come up with something great again.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah. Okay. We'll just sign up. Bye, guys.